Looking for the perfect tool for your electronics or DIY projects? Today, we're showcasing the best soldering irons that offer precision, fast heating, and ease of use for all your soldering needs. These top picks are ideal for beginners and professionals alike, ensuring clean, reliable connections every time. Stick around to discover our favorites and check the description for links to these must-have tools. Let's get soldering with the best irons on the market. MILWAUKEE M12 Soldering Iron. The MILWAUKEE M12 soldering iron offers rapid heat-up and consistent temperature, ideal for industrial use. Its 18-second heat-up time ensures you can start working almost immediately. Featuring a ready-to-use and safe-to-store tip indicator, it enhances safety by showing when the tool is cool enough to be stored. The 3-stop pivoting head allows for unmatched access in tight spaces, making it versatile for various applications. Switching between chisel and pointed tips is easy with the tool-free tip change feature. Powered by the M12 battery, it provides portability and convenience, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need a reliable, cordless soldering solution on the go. CRAFTSMAN Soldering Iron. The CRAFTSMAN Soldering Iron is a cordless tool built for both industrial and residential use, providing flexibility and convenience with its battery-powered operation. Featuring an adjustable temperature dial, it allows users to fine-tune the heat between 400 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit for various soldering needs. The 4-foot cord offers enhanced mobility, while the sponge holder on the base ensures easy access for tip cleaning during use. Compact and portable, this tool is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable and versatile soldering iron without the limitations of a corded power source. Weller Soldering Iron. The Weller Soldering Iron is a powerful tool designed for professional use, delivering 80 watts of power for heavy-duty soldering tasks. Its high-visibility LED halo ring offers 360-degree illumination, ensuring precise, high-quality solder joints in well-lit and dimly lit environments. The ergonomic molded pencil grip provides optimal control and comfort for precision work. Quick tip change capability allows users to switch between chisel, screwdriver, or bent screwdriver tips for a range of soldering applications. This versatile soldering iron is perfect for demanding tasks, combining excellent power with ease of use for a highly efficient performance in various soldering projects. IKOCOCATER Soldering Iron Kit. The IKOCOCATER Smart Mini Electric Soldering Iron Kit heats up in just 8 seconds, offering fast, efficient soldering with its advanced heating technology. Equipped with an OLED HD display, users can easily monitor temperature settings for precision control. Weighing only 37 grams, this ultralight and compact soldering iron is portable, making it ideal for on-the-go use by professionals, hobbyists, or DIY enthusiasts. The adjustable temperature control ranges from 80 to 420 degrees Celsius, ensuring versatility for both delicate and robust soldering jobs. Safety is prioritized with features like induction hibernation and a durable silicone sheath, providing protection during and after use. HAKKO Soldering Iron. The HAKKO soldering iron is designed for industrial use, offering an adjustable temperature range from 200 to 500 degrees Celsius for precise soldering tasks. It features easy-to-replace T18 series tips, with over 30 different shapes available, ensuring versatility for various applications. The compact design enhances portability, making it easy to transport and store. Weighing only 0.54 pounds, and with dimensions of 10.75 inches in length, 4.5 inches in width, and 1.5 inches in height, this soldering iron is both lightweight and efficient. Its corded electric power source provides reliable, consistent heat, ideal for professionals needing precise control during soldering tasks. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect soldering iron. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.